current status. They are trying to run the track in.
So long. And the truck that's out there
didn't hardly make it out there.
I wonder how he's going to get off.
Yeah. Probably with a rope.
You ain't never seen nothing like this. Never thought it'd be so enticing. Oh, it'll pull you in with a tight grip. Shines like a diamond, bright when the light hits. Oh, shifting your senses, lifting you up to a different dimension.
Alrighty, welcome back to Sleep Racing, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry that we didn't get a video out last Thursday. It's been kind of crazy, but we're here now. So I am getting mine ready to go. I think I'm going to head down to Mississippi Thunder Speedway. Try that track for the first time this year. I think there's a few people coming from the Thunder Hill compound, so we're gonna head down there and hopefully have some fun. Judging by the looks of Dad's kart, he's not going racing. He'll probably come with, but he's probably not going racing. But I got a buddy of mine coming over to check our valves and go through our carburetors on both of these today. And yeah, I'm gonna get my tires all ready to rock. Change my oil. I had to reset the front end, so we'll probably set it down on scales, do that. Got a few things that we're trying new again, so can't go to the racetrack with the same setups and expect different results. So every week we're changing something. We're trying to find some speed. We're trying to find some, just trying to find something. Got some different plans for the off season as far as chassis wise goes. So we will, right now we're just learning. We're just creating notebooks for what changes do what and how it does it and why it does it and so forth. So that's what we're going to do today. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. For everybody that has subscribed already, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. I think last time I checked, I think we were up to like 134. That's awesome. Keep it up. Keep sharing the videos. Hope you guys like it. If there's something that you guys want to see in the videos, just let us know in the comments. So, yeah. All right. Well, set you guys down and we'll get to work here.
Sick chain, jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Chrome on, big flame. I'm pulling out with a sick chain, jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Had to hit him with the chrome hard and the big flame. I'ma be the villain like I'm Big Bang. Execute a small, that's big brain. So I been looking hard, that's dripping. So that has been traded to the 60. I get $1, you're with me. Now y'all gotta sell kidneys, but that is a shame, it's a pity. The sell to the pep that was shitty, but now you a fam and you wanna hit me. Honestly, dog, I think you are tripping. Follow me now like it's a religion. Hey, you changing your vision. Hey, you look for additions.
That's the YouTube life. You gotta film yourself on everything you do.
Well, you're one, your intake is definitely tight. I go, but that's a touch.
You should've listened, case goes down, I'm on a mission. Chrome on, big flame. I'm pulling out with a sick chain, jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Chrome on, big flame. I'm pulling out with a sick chain, jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Yeah, now they wanna be friends. Yeah, language switch, y'all are now speaking French. I speak Dutch, yeah, I'm from the Netherlands. I've been on the path, I've been with the raps, ey. Ik ga eraan, ik ga het laten, maar ja, ik ben weer op al die verses. Ik denk terug aan die tijden waar dingen toch echt wel ging gebeuren. Maar dat is niet waar, ik switchte wel echt. Ja, het ging toch naar de beurs. Maar ik dacht dat wij echte vrienden waren. Maar de status kwam er toch tussen. Damn. Come on, big flame. I'm pulling out with a sick chain. Jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Come on, big flame. I'm pulling out with a sick chain. Jumping in the Porsche in the 6 lane. I'm big fish, I'm big game. Als je Nederlands bent, zet deze track in je playlist.
Weather's not looking too good. We loaded up anyways. Give her a go. I don't have real high hopes, but maybe we'll at least get hot laps out of the deal and go from there. So, ready, Dad?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, anyway.
Oh, perfect timing. All right. We'll see you down there. All right. Well, we made her down here. Weather's not looking too good. We'll post a picture of what the radar looks like right here. But we're here, and I guess we'll wait it out and see what happens. All right. Well, the rain didn't miss us. So, I don't know what they're gonna do. They said that they're gonna announce it at 6. No, it's like
Next announcement is at 6.
it's like 10-2 and it's still raining. So, but I think we can run her in. We can mud her in. We'll send the sportsman guys out there to mud the track in.
Got the mud tires on.
Yeah. Current status: they are trying to run the track in.
So long. And the truck that's out there.
Didn't hardly make it out there.
I wonder how he's gonna get off.
Yeah. Probably with a rope. Not really sure how this is gonna work, but supposedly there's more coming. Keep you guys posted. Alright, well, we're doing this. We're racing, so I'm gonna get ours out. Dad's isn't here, obviously, but we got another one from Thunder Hill, so we will see what happens.